Good afternoon. This is Jack from AfterChart.net, and this is the intraday video for Friday, the 23rd of February. Our disclaimer: we do this for educational purposes only. We're here to share our technical analysis with you. We hope you can take some of what we're doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. We're not here to issue trading signals. Right, let's have a quick look at the RTH charts first. Now, obviously, we've been bumping up against resistance on equities all day, and that may continue for the rest of the day. We could see a breakout. We'll have to see. We're not far from a breakout here. We're slightly over the daily middle band. Obviously, for that, it mainly depends where we close. That's really important. But here, in the short term, I'm watching for SPX to see whether it gets another handle higher and gets over the 31.26. Hasn't done that yet. It might do. So here on the high of the day so far is 27.30, and that's against 27.25.68 for the daily middle band, and we are slightly over that at the moment. If we go over to RUT, which has also been testing the daily middle band, we've got the daily middle band currently at here, wrong chart. Wait a sec. That's at 1532.93, so 1533 effectively. We are over that as well at the moment. Now, these have been holding as resistance on both of these indices for quite a while. Several days of testing. If we see a break up today, then that means the bear case could be in trouble. If we don't see then rejection candles going back below the daily middle band on Monday, then it is in real trouble and something else is happening here. Right, let's just have a quick look at the 60-minute charts on all three of them. 60-minute chart, this could be a flag. I think the stage at which I'd be saying it is a flag will be when we get up to about the 2740 area, because that would be flag resistance. If we test that, chances are this is a flag. Have we look at NDX here? NDX is already over the daily middle band, of course. NDX, we've got a really, really nice possible head and shoulder set up here. It's very high quality, and we are at, what's the high of the day? High of the day is 68.39.71, and the ideal right shoulder high would be 68.40.6. So if we turn right here on NDX, this would be an ideal right shoulder high for what would be a very high quality head and shoulders. I'd like to see that happen, obviously. That would be our main scenario. We'll see whether it can deliver. Now, RUT, we don't have as clear a reversal pattern there, but we've still got a nice double top. We've not been making a lot of headway to the upside over the daily middle band or not. We can obviously break down. This is not broken down yet. If it does break down, then this takes us down to slightly under 1500. Right, let's move on to ES. Now, ES, watching with interest here, we're currently slightly over the daily middle band. That doesn't really mean anything yet. If we make a break with conviction, that means something. If we get over this high here, which I've got at about 31.3, that probably means something too. It increases the chances that we're looking at a bull flag forming, which would end up in a retest of this high here at about 55. Watching this with great interest. My main scenario is obviously it turns down here. We are waiting to see whether in fact that is going to happen. Right, NQ. NQ has gone a bit higher today. I think if this had gone a little higher, I'd have a 60-minute sell signal brewing here. As it is, I don't. But beautiful head and shoulders forming on the RTH chart. More of a double top on this on NQ. TF. TF has got again, it's not been moving a great deal. This is a nice looking double top, and this could easily break down, but it hasn't actually broken down. Really, what we need is not so much the breaking conversion of the weekly pivot now, because it's Friday afternoon. It's only actually going to be the weekly pivot for another 2 trading hours and change. But what we need to see a breakdown below the support levels here. I mean, here's the one on TF. That's at 15.15. We need to see some damage being done. On SPX, really, we're looking at a breaking conversion of 2700 level. DX.